that after they use it for so long and stuff. And you see in that video, before, like the giant ovens that they use for that, which are also beside the giant places where they do a lot of the general painting and stuff. He was talking about some of the problems they solved, when they're like, well, we needed to do product this way with a certain thing. That once you open it, you got to use all of it right away because it's going to start going bad, basically, right? There was a whole woodwork area, a whole metalwork area. There's, what was it, a 7-axis CNC machine that was based on a
Yes.
robot arm with a turntable? So you say the thing could kill itself for something?
Yeah.
It's like, it looks like one of those that you see in a car factory. So, and we learned a lot about that process, 'cause they got the engineers in the front and how they've kind of, re-engineered that process of how the engineers build something, talk to holistically talk to the people building stuff in the shop. Is like, like I said, 70 some employees that they have. Like it's a big thing, and a dog, as you can see on the website. I'm sorry, I have a plane in the background. I'm realizing it's not on screen, but it's really really cool. You can see, I mean, obviously from the video, it looks like they're doing shoe companies and things like that. So I mean, and he's talked about some really cool projects that they've done in the past. I always go back to the one that was I think they had Sam. This I think is one of his older companies, but they had Samsung phones, and every time you hit it, like fireworks would go off, and there's like this like light globe or something they had going on. These just absolutely wild things. And he was talking about some other things that were just like looked like they would have been crazy to see in person. So